In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam PayPal bug in just 5 minutes. We'll focus on each step to get you back to gaming as soon as possible without any payment hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Steam app. If you haven't launched it yet, you can find the icon easily on your desktop or by searching in your applications list. Once it's open, locate the Login button, typically found at the top right corner of your window. Clicking Login is your gateway to accessing your account. Now, go ahead and enter your account name and password. It's always crucial to ensure that you've typed these correctly to avoid any unnecessary troubleshooting related to login issues. Once you're confident everything's correct, locate the Sign In button and give it a click. This will safely take you to the Steam homepage. From here, we want to pay attention to the top of your Steam window, where you'll see your profile name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from this list, select Account Details. This area contains all the nitty-gritty about your Steam profile, including the payment methods you've linked. What we'll focus on next is adding a payment method to your account. So, look for an option labeled Add a Payment Method to this account, and select it. Here, you'll be presented with different payment options to choose from. What we want is PayPal, so go ahead and choose that from the list. Before proceeding, let's make sure a couple of things are in order. The first critical checkpoint is ensuring your PayPal account has enough funds to cover your intended purchase. Keeping your balance sufficient ensures a smooth transaction. Next, it's important to ensure that your PayPal account is properly validated and linked to your Steam account. If it's not, this could be a source of payment issues. Now, if you are using a bank card linked to your PayPal account, ensure that it is valid and hasn't been declined by your bank. Sometimes, even a small error here can lead to bigger transaction problems. If necessary, consider adding funds manually from your bank account to your PayPal balance. This can often help in resolving any authorization issues that might arise if PayPal isn't able to automatically draw funds during a transaction. And that's it. By meticulously following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Steam PayPal bug, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free gaming experience. Remember, tackling each step with patience is key. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!